what is energy meter and where it is used to measure what electrical quantities. It is a full visual study guide. In this lecture, I teach you such tricks and tips to enrich yourselves to answer several questions in various technical as well as competitive exam. To know this, you have to watch till the end of the video. Figure shows the constructional view of a single phase energy meter. Shunt magnet M1. Pressure coil long in length, fine wire that is thin copper wire connected across the supply line that is parallel. Series magnet M2. Current coil short in length, thick copper wire connected in series with the load. Aluminum disc mounted on a spindle resting on the pivots. Basically, an induction type watt hour meter used for domestic and industrial kWh. If you have enjoyed it so far, wait for a moment because the next points are about to get even more important. Working principle: generating the driving torque. Coils generate magnetic fields, pressure coil proportional to voltage, and current field proportional to load. The 90-degree phase shift. Fields have a 90-degree phase difference, creating a rotating flux. Induction. Rotating flux induce eddy current inside the aluminum disc. Driving torque. Reaction between the magnetic fields and the eddy current creates spins the disc. Pro tip: what about power factor? Shading ring mounted on the shunt magnet corrects the power factor. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please give it a like and share it as much as possible to your friends. Damping and adjustments. The brake. A permanent horseshoe magnet provides eddy current or air damping. The corrector. Shading rings mounted on the shunt magnet. Purpose: correction in power factor. Keep rotational speed proportional to the power. Wait for it. Watch until the end because the points I am sharing at the finish are going to be the most important. Counting mechanisms. Reading the kWh. Cyclodial systems. Dishes marked 0 to 9 geared together read collectively. Clock dial system, 6 dials identical to clocks. Last 2 dials are read is equal to fractions, that is 1 by 10th and 1 by 100. Example 3325069 kWh. Number dial system, 7 geared rings, straightforward readout. Example 46723.48 kWh. Drop a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in future and where you are watching from. Scaling up. Three-phase, three-wire meter. 1 meter is equal to two single-phase setups plus one shared disk. As shown in the figure, it shows that it contains two pressure coils and two current coils. Uses a single aluminum disc, employs a permanent horseshoe magnet, eddy current damping. Applications used exclusively for three-phase balance load circuits. Wait for it. Watch until the end because the points I am sharing at the finish are going to be the most important. Maximum scale, three-phase, four-wire meter. Figure shows the three-phase four-wire meters. It consists a combination of three single-phase meters, three pressure coils, plus three separate aluminum discs. Crucial details: all these discs are mounted on a single spindle. The counting mechanism mounts here also. Application capable of measuring unbalanced load circuits, that is power plus light, fan load, etc. You have enjoyed it so far? Wait for a moment because the next points are about to get even more important, related to golden rules and quick recap. Damping and adjustments. The brake, a permanent horseshoe magnet, provide eddy current or air damping. The corrector, shading rings mounted on the shunt magnet. Purpose: correction in power factor. Keep rotational speed proportional to the power. Wait for it. Watch until the end because the points I am sharing at the finish are going to be the most important. The ultimate meter matrix. Meter type, single phase, coils, onset, aluminum disc 1, target load, domestic, oblique industrial. Three phase, three wire, meter type, coils, two set, aluminum disc on shared. Target load, balance, three phase. Three phase, four wire, meter type, coils, three sets, aluminum disc, three stacks. Target load. Notice how the three wire shares eddies, but four wire stacks them. You have enjoyed it so far. Wait for a moment because the next points are about to get even more important, related to golden rules and quick recap. Exam cheat sheet. The instruments house energy meter is equal to integrating type. Watt meter measures is equal to true power, AC and DC. MC versus MI instrument. MC moving coil. Use on DC only. Force BIL. Damping is equal to eddy current. MI moving iron. Used on AC or DC. Practical rules. Why the mirror? To remove parallax error. A rule. Hashtag 1 of testing. Personal safety always comes first. What does perpendicular means on a dial, instrument must be used in a vertical position only. Golden rules and quick recap. A wattmeter measures AC as well as DC power through watt hour. A multimeter can measure voltage, current, resistance, but cannot measure capacitance. MI type instruments can be used on AC or DC. The force that actually moves the pointer is the deflecting force. Safety first. When testing, your first attention must always go to personal safety. If you feel I have provided any value by watching this video, please subscribe to my channel DCD Electrical Knowledge to get even notification of next coming videos. Good luck on the exam. Thank you.